Welcome to Space in Minutes, where space meets simplicity. New videos drop weekly, so subscribe and join our awesome cosmic community. If you're excited about making space more accessible for everyone, why not join us as a member? Your support really means everything to us. As a member, you can enjoy our videos without ads and help us create even more awesome content. What if I told you that somewhere out there's a planet where diamonds rain from the sky? Or a world so old, it's almost as ancient as the universe itself. These aren't science fiction fantasies. They're real places, real planets, and they're unlike anything in our solar system. Let's count down the top 7 strangest exoplanets astronomers have discovered so far. Welcome to Space in Minutes, where we make the cosmos simple, mind-blowing, and easy to love. Today, we're diving into the wildest worlds ever spotted outside our solar system. They bend physics, challenge science, and spark the imagination. Let's begin. #7 WASP-1b, the planet that eats light. Imagine a world so dark it makes coal look bright. That's WASP-1b for you. This gas giant is a cosmic black hole, reflecting less than 6% of the light that hits it. It's darker than fresh asphalt on a moonless night. But darkness isn't its only claim to fame. WASP-1b is in such a rush, it orbits its star in just over a day. That's right, a year on this planet is shorter than your average Netflix binge session. The star's gravity is really messing with WASP-1b, stretching it out like an egg. It's kind of like watching cosmic taffy being pulled. And honestly, if this keeps up, that star might just rip the planet apart. Can you imagine? Picture this. A roasted marshmallow that just won't cool down. It's hot, all twisted up, and totally doomed. It's like a wild reminder that even out there in the endless space, some planets are just living on the edge, right? 6 HD 189733b. Rains glass sideways. If you thought Earth's weather was unpredictable, wait until you hear about HD 189733b, located 64 light-years away. This exoplanet is the universe's idea of extreme weather. Can you imagine this? Winds howling at over 5,000 miles per hour. That's like 7 times the speed of sound here on Earth. And the temperature, sizzling, 10 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt lead. It's wild, right? But here's the wild part. It rains. It's not your usual rain, but molten glass. Can you believe it? And with those crazy supersonic winds, this glass rain doesn't just fall down, it blasts sideways. It's like the planet decided to turn a sandblaster into its own weather system. How insane is that? Imagine standing in the middle of a high-speed sandblaster made of broken windows. That's a typical day on HD 189733b. It's a world that makes our most violent storms look like gentle spring showers. #5 Kepler-1b, the planet of lava seas. Kepler-10b is what happens when a planet gets too close to its star. This rocky world is practically hugging its sun, resulting in temperatures that soar above to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hot enough to melt rock. It's turning what might have been continents into vast oceans of lava. It's like there's just no vibe here, right? Everything feels so lifeless. This place is scorched by the crazy heat of its sun, turning it into a total wasteland of bubbling rock and metal. It's wild and harsh, you know? Think of Kepler-1b as mercury dipped in lava and baked until it glows. It's a stark reminder of what could happen to a planet that strays too close to its star. A cautionary tale written in fire and stone. #4 GJ1214b, the water world. GJ1214b might just be the most intriguing water world we've ever found. But not in the way you might think. This planet could be made mostly of water, but under conditions so extreme, it defies our earthly understanding. Under the immense pressure of GJ 121 for B's gravity. Water could exist in exotic forms we've only theorized about. We might find layers of hot ice that remain solid despite scorching temperatures, or superfluid steam that flows without friction. The planet is wrapped in a thick, steamy atmosphere, and some scientists speculate there might even be a warm water ocean beneath it all. But this isn't the kind of ocean you'd want to swim in, unless you fancy a dip in a giant cosmic pressure cooker. Imagine a world-sized kettle filled with water in states we've never seen, perpetually on the verge of boiling. That's GJ1214b, a water world that makes Earth's oceans look like puddles. #3 PSRB 162026b, the Methuselah planet. In the cosmic neighborhood, PSRB 162026b is the old-timer, the planet that's seen it all. This ancient world is pushing 13 billion years old. That's almost as old as the universe itself. Think about it this way. When the Earth was just getting its act together, our planet was already in its middle age. Can you believe it? It's been spinning around for nearly 3 times longer than a whole solar system has even existed. How wild is that? But age isn't the only thing that makes this planet unique. Okay? Orbits not 1, but 2 dead stars, a white dwarf and a pulsar. It's like a cosmic dance, with the planet waltzing around the ghosts of long-dead suns. PSRB 162026b is the cosmic equivalent of a fossil still orbiting in deep space. It's a time capsule, potentially holding secrets about the early universe that we can only dream of uncovering. #255 Concrete E, the diamond planet. If you thought Earth's gemstones were impressive, okay, wait until you hear about 55 Concrete E. This super-Earth is a jeweler's dream and a geologist's puzzle, all wrapped up in one glittering package. At twice the size of Earth, but 8 times as massive, 55 Concrete E packs a lot of weight into a relatively small space, but it's what it's made of that really turns heads. Scientists believe that due to its carbon-rich interior and intense heat, much of the planet's surface could be covered in graphite and diamond. Imagine a world where mountains are made of sparkling carbon, where rivers might flow over beds of black diamond. It's a literal gemstone world, orbiting just 40 light years away. But before you pack your pickaxe and spacesuit, remember, this diamond planet is hotter than a blast furnace. It's less a jewel box and more a cosmic forge, constantly reshaping carbon under extreme heat and pressure. Think of 55 Concrete E as a planet-sized, glittering black crystal, eternally burning and reforming. It's a reminder that even the most precious materials on Earth can form entire worlds in the right conditions. #1 HD 106906b, the planet that shouldn't exist. You know those moments when you stumble upon something that totally flips your perspective? Well, HD 106906b is one of those mind-blowing discoveries that really makes you rethink everything. This gas giant is massive, 11 times the mass of Jupiter. But it's not the size that's baffling scientists. It's where we found it. HD 106906b is cruising around its star at a mind-boggling distance, 650 times farther than the space between Earth and our Sun. That's like 60 billion miles, which is just wild, right? If you think about it, in our solar system, okay, this planet would be hanging out way beyond the Kuiper Belt, where the icy bodies chill. It's like a cosmic road trip gone super far. Just imagine the view from there, totally different from what we see here on Earth. No one knows how it got there, or how it stayed. It defies every model of planet formation we have. Some scientists think it may have been captured from another star system. Others believe it formed alone in the vast emptiness of space. Imagine finding a beach ball floating alone in the middle of the ocean with no boat in sight. That's HD 106906p, a cosmic mystery that challenges our understanding of how solar systems form and evolve. These are just 7 of thousands of exoplanets we've found so far. Each one reveals how strange, diverse, and mind-bending the universe truly is. From worlds of molten glass and diamond mountains to planets older than Earth's entire history, the cosmos is filled with wonders beyond our wildest imagination. We're just scratching the surface, right? As our tech gets better and our explorations go further, who knows what mind-blowing worlds we might stumble upon next. The universe is so huge, strange, and totally amazing, and we're only beginning to reveal its secrets. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember, those tiny points of light might be home to worlds stranger than anything we've ever dreamed of. And that's what makes the exploration of space so exciting. Every discovery is a new piece of the cosmic puzzle, a new chapter in the greatest story ever told, the story of our universe. That's just one cosmic mystery explained in minutes. If you learned something new today, give it a like and let me know what you're curious about in the comments. I'll reply to every single one. And if you want to see more space, science, and imagination, all in under 10 minutes, subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. That's 1 minute. See you tomorrow.